Groot applaus, Elske de Bouw!
I don't remember how I lost you. I can't pinpoint a day in time. It was not one thing or another, no particular warning sign, but just you and I together was something to behold. But now it's killing me to realize that the fire has gone so cold. See, I would do anything, and I would give everything. I will burn to the bone to rebuild a broken home, piece by piece, brick by brick, stone by stone. I did not pay enough attention, no, I did not put in the time. Your life went in one direction and it was not the same as mine. And I would do anything, I would give everything. I would work to the bone to rebuild a broken home, piece by piece, brick by brick, stone by stone. I'll go back to the start and unbreak these broken hearts, brick by brick, brick by brick, stone by stone. And I won't let it in, I won't rest until we are one again. And no, I won't let you go. You're too precious, man. You're my whole world. We both made some mistakes, but we can't let this thing slip away. And I will work to the bone to rebuild a broken home, piece by piece, brick by brick, stone by stone. And I'll go back to the start. Oh, make these broken hearts, and I rebuild that happy home, piece by piece, brick by brick, stone by stone. Yeah, yeah, stone by stone.